Hey everyone. If you want to learn how to use Google Meet for online meetings in 2026, this is the full beginner guide. I'll show you step by step how to join, create, and manage meetings easily. First, open Google Meet in your browser. It works directly online, so you don't need to install anything. Next, sign in with your Google account. This is required to join or host meetings properly. Now click join a meeting and enter the meeting code. This lets you join any scheduled session quickly. After that, click New Meeting to create your own session. You can start instantly or schedule it for later use. Next, allow camera and microphone access. This is necessary for proper video and audio communication. Now copy the meeting link and share it with others. This is how participants join your online meeting. After that, use tools like chat, captions, raise hand, and screen sharing. These features make meetings more interactive and useful. Next, click Present Now if you want to share your screen. This is perfect for presentations, classes, or training sessions. Finally, click Leave Call when you're finished. This safely ends your meeting session. So yeah, that's how you use Google Meet for online meetings step by step in 2026. Follow each step carefully and you'll be able to join and host meetings confidently. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more tech tutorials for fast and easy guides.